Move on. Ratan Tata, one of India's top angel investors, doesn't seem to be slowing down yet. Even though cautious optimism is the buzzword on Deal Street, Tata continues to add to his kitty of new age tech ventures. Talking of investments, even digital news portals are on investors' radar. Adit Charlie and Arif Sherwani bring you the action from the startup community. This is the Young Turk Startup Deal Tracker.
Ratan Tata is a big believer in the Indian startup story. After backing 25-odd startups across different industries, the chairman emeritus of Tata Sons has now invested in emergency response app developer Mergency. The startup will use the funds to augment technology and scale operations. Though Mergency is San Francisco-based, Tata wants the startup to grow in India before tapping overseas markets. Remember, Mergency had recently raised funding from Accelo Ventures. For Tata, the Mergency deal is the 9th startup investment in 2016 alone. From medical emergency to technology news, CNBC TV18 learns that Bengaluru-based Factor Daily has raised an undisclosed amount in funding led by venture capital firm Accel Partners. The recently launched Factor Daily is a digitally native startup that focuses on technology and its intersection with Indian culture and society. Factor Daily is expected to use the money raised to strengthen technology and expand its offerings. Sticking with Bangalore, taxi aggregator Uber doesn't seem to have resolved its differences with the Karnataka Transport Department over the new cab aggregator norms. Well, sources say Uber has reapplied for a license under the Karnataka On-Demand Transportation Technology Aggregators Rules 2016. The company has submitted bank guarantees besides furnishing details of its fleet under the new norms. The norms, which came into effect on 2nd April, cap surge pricing and call for GPS tracking. Ride-hailing apps are also expected to share copies of their agreement with the drivers, specify the number of cars operated, and highlight compliance with security measures. However, Transport Department officials allege that Uber has not provided all details as prescribed. Remember, Karnataka's Transport Minister had yesterday told CNN News 18 that criminal proceedings would be initiated against the likes of Uber and Ola if they do not fall in line with the new guidelines. A spokesperson for Uber did not comment on the development. With Adit Charlie in Bengaluru, in New Delhi, Arif Sherwani.